Yeah, before the start of the conference, we've gone into the basic principles of defense and offense. Dahil alam ko na there are a lot of teams na getting better and better. So we have to rely on defense. And if you notice, guys, we play a good defense tonight and the other night, because we just give up 77 points and 82 points. Considering our opponent is one of the top teams in terms of scoring. And talagang yung team namin ayaw magpatalo. And every day, so we have to keep on improving it. And don't be contented of what we achieve after losing the first two games in the elimination. And I think it's a lesson for us yung two games because we lost in that two games because we're too complacent after winning All Filipino Cup. They thought na it's easy to win again. But it's a wake-up call for us. And then our target is first is to get into the top four, which is happen easily after winning a lot of games against those top teams. And going to the playoffs, alam nila na we have to play harder and mindset nila iba dahil alam nila ang glory of winning a championship.
Coach, ano naman masabi sa professionalism ni Junmar? Alam mo na natin sa semis, dalawang balikat niya, nagka-problema. Tapos yung tuhod naman niya ngayong finals, hindi nag-deliver pa rin siya sa inyo.
Actually, not only Junmar. Most of the players may mga nararamdaman si Chris Ross, and then si Rodney, and si Jericho. Mayroon silang iniinda but knowing Junmar, since first championship, may injury siya, wala pipilitin yan. Especially sina Chris Ross, sabi nila, this is hindi na kailangan pakawalan ito This is an opportunity na talagang it will not happen again and again. So take advantage of it. And then si Junmar talagang especially nung last game namin, talagang I'm really afraid. Kinabahan ako doon. But when I look at him and then I saw a thumb up and then he said, okay, I'm okay. That's why that game, 12 minutes siya nakaupo. But I'm happy for the team because na-sustain yung lead And then pagpasok ni Junmar, so that's it. It's finished na dahil siyempre, na-sustain ulit yung firepower ng team.
Si Pops talaga nagpili sa akin. Junmar, pilitin mo maglaro.
Junmar, kanina medyo natatawa ka nung sinabi yan si Coach about opening mga adversities nyo. Parang meron ka bang, ano ba yung mga tingin ng adversities nyo in this conference?
Maraming Dahil nga, alam namin yung culture ng San Miguel, alam namin yung winning ways ng San Miguel. Before pa kami dumating dito sa San Miguel, alam na namin yung legacy ng San Miguel. So, nandito kami para to continue and winning ways na San Miguel, to represent San Miguel lalo na sa finals. So, syempre, isang karangalan na maglaro dito sa San Miguel. So, yun.
Coach Leo, next month pa yung next conference. Medyo matagal yung break pero looking forward to it. Anong masasabi niyo? May impact na ba kayo or?
Actually, bukas mayroon na kami schedule ng practice. Joke lang. Of course, mabot sa kanya.
Uwi na ako si Bunga ngayon.
Yan ang dilema ko as a coach ganyan. Dahil siyempre, after the championship, gusto lahat nila ma-enjoy yung championship and then pupunta sa kanilang pamilya, kung nasa probinsya, yung iba nag-out of town, out of the country. But I will remind them na March 11 is the opening of the next conference and we're always at the target of our back of the head dahil of course every team, whether na yung number 11, number 12, ganyan, pagkakalaban kami, they are always prepared and we have to be ready next time around, dahil it's always like that, nag-i-struggle kami pagdating ng opening ng tournament.
Coach, lagi mo sinasabi na lagi kang pinagmumukhang magaling ng mga players mo pero Ano masasabi mo kasi pag ikaw yung coach ng San Miguel, undefeated pa rin kayo sa Philippine Cup Finals?
Hindi, magaling talaga si magaling talaga si Coach Leo. Isa siya sa pinakamagaling na coach dito sa PBA. Hindi na siya nabibigyan ng masyadong credit. Dating nga siya, sobrang humble niya. Pero ako na masasabi sa inyo, magaling si Coach Leo. Magaling siya na coach. Siya yung dahilan kayo na nanalo ng championship ng San Miguel. So,
Yun man, tingin mo, ba't magaling si Coach Leo? Pwede ko bang i-elaborate ano ba yung mga nagawa niya?
Kaya magaling ako dahil may Junmar ako eh.
Kasi
Si Junmar magaling
ano,
dahil meron ako.
Kasi pinapabayaan niya yung mga players na maglaro. So, ayun, nailalabas ng mga players yung game nila. At the same time na siya, compose siya. So, and then, nagsistart yan sa practice. So, ayun, kasi na-disciplina niya.
Coach, gano'n na kayo inspired nitong championship na to heading into